How you like hiking, Raylan?
Yay.
Yay. Too hard?
Not really.
Oogie. Being a pretty good dog. We just had our first waterfall. Headed back to the truck now to go to the second. Good times. We go get him? Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. I'm like a little mountain goat. What, did he make it?
Yeah. He looks like a flying squirrel. I wanted to get a shot of that in slow motion last time.
Raylan's birthday. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.
I'm very proud of you. We just hiked like 4 miles today. His feet are gonna hurt. He's falling down, but he ain't stopped. Old Yuki dog is still doing his thing. Let's see if he can last on the way up. What's going on?
Hurting.
Yeah. What hurts on you?
Legs, arms, shoulders, neck, thighs.
Yeah. I got cramps in my legs. I think Yuki's tired too. You a hot dog? You a hot dog? Your legs hurt?
Not as bad as us.
It's been, what do we start? 1:30?
Yeah.
And then it's 4 o'clock now. So long walking. Most of it was downhill. This walk back is killer.
Yep. And we went up the fire escape way.
Fire road.
Yeah.
It is nicer on our feet, so, but I think we still got about 30 minutes to the truck. I hope not. Hopefully we're almost there.
Hopefully 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Maybe.
I can hear a car. Means we're close. Let's get off this and finish it up.